coming over the hill. Come on.
One down and load up. I thought you said 3 Shermans. Those nuts have brought half the army with them. Okay, keep on left, keep on coming. Come on. Okay, hold on.
Are you ready for this?
Split how many ways, stupid?
Come on, Willard! What is this? Huh? What is this, a ball game? Who are these guys?
They're my friends, Captain.
Friends? Where'd you find them?
Here and there.
And there's a bunch of refugees over there.
Hey, it's the band.
A band? What do we need a band for?
Have a little faith, Krupkin. They're beautiful people.
Hey, kid, you gotta pull yourself together. We ain't in the middle of Central Park.
Oddball. Just how the hell do you figure on moving through enemy terrain with a cow a mile long?
Easy. We can fight. We got an army.